Recently, Blueair improved its Blueair series with a few new models. The first one we tested is the Blueair 411 Auto. It's a small air purifier intended for rooms up to 190 square feet that will ideally fit into a small bedroom, living room, kids' room, or any similar room, and has some unusual advanced features for the Blueair series. In the following video, we'll show you just how good it is, whether it's worth the money, and whether you should buy it. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The Blueair 411 Auto is entirely ready to use and does not require any particular procedure. All you need to do is unpack it from the shipping box and place it in the desired location, at least 10 inches away from walls or any other objects. After that, plug it in and turn it on. Please keep in mind that the air purifier has to be on a hard and flat surface. In terms of design, this is one of the best designed air purifiers available on the market. In fact, the entire Blueair Blueair series is characterized by flawless design. The Blueair 411 Auto is made of plastic, which is of pretty solid quality for this device. It comprises the bottom part, where the filter is, and the upper part where the motor, air quality sensor, and control button are. We especially like the washable pre-filter, available in 5 different colors, and it's the most deserving of Blueair's unique design. The only complaint is not having any carrying handles, but that's not a huge minus, as it's a lightweight air purifier and easy to move from place to place. Simply put, the Blueair 411 Auto will fit into almost any setting. This air purifier is circular in shape and made of 2 parts. The bottom part takes up 2/3 of the device, and that's where the Blueair draws air in. The air is then filtered and exits through the openings on the top. The Blueair 411 Auto is still a minimalistic air purifier, despite having some advanced features. What's new in this model is an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, and an auto mode. The air quality sensor is located on the back. It detects particles in real time and works in combination with some other features. The air quality indicator is a LED light located on the front. It lights in 3 different colors and shows the current air quality. The last one is the auto mode, which works in combination with the air quality sensor as well, and it switches the fan speed based on the current air quality. Despite having more features, this model still operates with just one button. You can find more information about the Blueair 411 Auto at airpurifierfirst.com. The Blueair 411 Auto uses a 3-stage filter, with HEPA silent technology as an additional filtration stage. The first stage of filtration is a washable pre-filter that traps all the large particles and in that way keeps the other filters safe. The particle filter is the second stage of filtration, and it removes airborne allergens such as pollen, dust, pet dander, and microbes. The third filtration stage is a fibrous filter coated with carbon. It captures light household odors from pets, cooking, and smoking. The HEPA Silent is an ionizer, and it's the last filtration stage. Luckily, the Blueair 411 Auto is CARB certified, which means it doesn't produce the unallowed amount of ozone. Frankly, there are 2 things we don't like about Blueair's filtration technology. First and foremost, it doesn't have a true HEPA filter, which is not a huge minus as it had outstanding results in the performance tests. Furthermore, it's not that efficient in removing cigarette smoke and heavy odors. This air purifier uses a washable pre-filter that does not need to be changed, while the particle and carbon filter combination has to be changed occasionally. Fortunately, this air purifier has a filter reset indicator located around the control button, which will light up when it's time to change the filter. This usually happens every 6 months. The replacing process is straightforward. First, you should unscrew the air purifier's upper part, then remove the pre-filter, pull up the primary filter and vacuum the inside of the device if needed. Next, unpack the new filter, place it into the air purifier, and assemble the device the same way you disassembled it. Finally, reset the filter reset indicator, and you're done. Having 3 fan speeds or less is usually a disadvantage, but not with the Blueair 411 Auto. The reason is that it's quiet at the first and second speeds. In the night mode, the Blueair 411 Auto produces a sound of 41.6 dBA. In the everyday mode, it produces 42.9 dBA. While in boost mode, it produces a sound of 61.2 dBA. As you probably noticed, it's a bit louder on the max speed, but on the other hand, the first and second speeds are pretty quiet, which is why you can use this air purifier in the bedroom without any problems. You can find more information on this air purifier at airpurifierfirst.com. The Blueair 411 Auto uses a motor of just 10 watts, making it one of the lowest energy consumers we have ever tested. It uses only 1.9 watts on night mode and 9.1 watts on max speed. If you left the Blueair 411 Auto on max speed 24 hours daily for 1 month, your electric bill would rise by about 80 cents, which you would agree is very affordable. Apart from electric power, there's a cost of replacement filters, which last about 6 months and are not that expensive. So, if we consider the costs of the electric power and replacement filter, it's evident that the Blueair 411 Auto is a rather cheap air purifier regarding annual maintenance. In our performance tests, we use a laser particle meter to measure the performance of the air purifiers. The Blueair 411 Auto is intended for rooms up to 190 square feet. But how efficient is it in slightly larger rooms? You'll find out in the following seconds. In the first test, in a room of 194 square feet, the Blueair 411 Auto improved the air quality by about 94% in 60 minutes working on the boost mode. In the second test, this time in a room of 320 square feet, which is much larger than the suggested dimensions, it improved the air quality by about 91% in the same conditions as the previous test. Overall, the Blueair 411 Auto had outstanding results in the performance test, and it confirmed that it could clean the air in rooms larger than the recommended dimensions. In the following seconds, you will find out how much time is needed for the Blueair 411 Auto to clean all the smoke from the smoke box. The Blueair 411 Auto is a small air purifier designed for rooms up to 190 square feet. It ideally fits in a small living room, bedroom, office, or similar room. This air purifier is our absolute best buying recommendation because of its incredible performance, quiet operation at first and second speeds, low energy consumption, and additions like the washable pre-filter and air quality sensor. If you have any questions or concerns about this air purifier, please ask in the comments below the video. See a detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.